super excited to share a little bit of spring. It is really cold and really windy and really snowy here in Utah, which is where I am. And so anytime I can try to channel spring into any of my projects, especially this time of the year, I'm all over it. So what I want to show you today is the Layle by Mail April and May Traveler's Notebook Kit. So we'll first take a look at what I did with the kit, and then we'll take a look at the kit, and then we'll take a look at some really fun add-ons I have available this month as well. All right, so to dig in, this is what I have done with the March portion of the kit. So I'm using the Carpe Diem Planners Typewriter Floral Traveler's Notebook, and I picked this one to use this month just because I love the floral on the outside, but the inside, especially that black and white checked gingham, is so fun with the particular collection I'm using, which is the Spring Farmhouse collection from Simple Stories. Anyhow, we are decorating the pockets, we are covering 2 inserts, and then we are also kind of making a little fun fringe thing there. The other thing that I'm doing this month too is I'm showing you how I take the product that's left over and actually decorating one of the Carpe Diem monthly inserts, and this is the calendar that I use. So this is an add-on that we'll talk about at the end, that insert, but that's kind of fun. Anyhow, that is the March setup. And then April, oh my gosh, you guys, I couldn't resist. April is all about Easter. And this uses the Simple Stories Bunnies and Basket Simple Set. And oh my gosh, it is so cute. For this month, I am using the Cream Speckle from Carpe Diem Planners. Now here's the thing. Some of you are like, oh my gosh, do I need to have a different traveler's notebook every time? You absolutely do not. But I look at it, for me, it's kind of like a purse or even a pair of shoes. I change my shoes with different outfits. I like to switch up the traveler's notebook covers that I'm using every month. So definitely not something that you have to do. And really, I mean, if you have a purple cover, it doesn't matter if you're using pastels on the inside. Don't get hung up on that. But like I said, I do like to switch up every month. Anyhow, we're doing lots of fun things in the pockets, lots of fussy cutting, kind of adding a little bit of cotton to the sheep. And then this, I love this card, but we're making kind of little bunny ears and that with that. Also this time we are making a fun little pocket insert. And that is the April portion of the kit. Okay, so now let's take a look at what comes, or what's included in the kit. So starting with a traveler's notebook insert. I always include one additional insert in my kits. And that is the thought there, that you are not always filling up a complete insert every month. And so you're carrying inserts from month to month. We are always slip covering the inserts, and that's one of the things that I go through with you in the kind of Plan It With Me exclusive videos to the kit. So one of the inserts, and then we'll take a look at March 1st, the 12 by 12 sticker sheet from Spring Farmhouse. Isn't that gorgeous? And you know what? I always love how Simple Stories adds black in a lot of the collections, because I think it just makes such a nice contrast. Lots of great pastels here. So that is the 12 by 12 sticker. And then we are using 2 12 by 12 sheets, the nice black floral, and then that pink gingham. And then the other side, I don't use much of that side because we're using this. I'm using, I should say, that to slip cover one of the inserts, but you always have options. And then that we're using to adhere the little pom-pom trim tube, and then covering one of the notebooks with that one as well. Then we have the 3x4 elements. So you have 12 3x4 cards, and I use these to decorate the pockets as well as decorate the covers of the inserts. A really nice fun stripe on the back side there. So that's the base of March. Then as we move into April, a 6x12 sticker sheet from Bunnies and Baskets. And then this time actually 4 different papers from the collection, and actually there are 2. We'll talk about those 2 in a sec. So starting out with the elements. So there are 8 3x4 cards, 2 4x6s. We do lots of fussy cutting with those. And then these 2 I am using this way to slip cover the inserts. And then this last one, we're gonna go through a technique on creating a super simple but super functional pocket for your traveler's notebook. Okay, and then that's the base of April. Then when we go to what else is included in the kit, there are 2 different washies. So you are going to have this yellow washi that goes super well with bunnies and baskets for April. And then depending on your kit, and this is just going to be random, there are 3 different really fun washi colors or washi designs in the Spring Farmhouse collection. So you will have one of those 3 as part of your washi. Then you have this whole little baggie full of goodies. You have some pink twine, a great paper clip. Let me show you that one. And this is also, depending on your kit, there are 4 different bow paper clips. So you will be getting 1 of 4. They all have different patterns. That little twine that we're going to play with, the shipping tag, that fun pom-pom trim. And then for April, also in that little baggie, let's grab that again, you have a fun little gem that you're adding to the center of that pinwheel, some cotton, and then some ribbon to make your bunny ears. One other thing I wanted to kind of mention, that this could be kind of fun too. The way that I did this insert, I picked this particular color insert. It's sliding in the pocket, but I picked this yellow because look how fun this would be. If you can't get enough of these little pom-poms, you could also just slide that right in there and use that. Well, you guys know what I mean. You could use that for your April insert as well. So that could be really fun. All right, so that is the kit, and that's what the kit makes. But I want to show you a couple of fun add-ons that I have this month, starting out with the monthly insert. So the monthly insert actually comes with a monthly insert as well as a notes insert, so a line notes insert. But let's take a look at that monthly insert. It has a double page spread for each month of the year. So you have that full month of the year. Now, don't worry if you're just picking this up now about January and February, because January and February, you can come pick back up again after you make it through December of this year. So let's just take a quick look then at what I did with that insert. As I mentioned, I have decorated March, that March calendar, and then also April. And those are all with leftover stickers that you have after you have kind of decorated for the month. So you can check out the email. Actually, I'll put the information about ordering those inserts in the kind of main part of the video here, and also direct you to my website where you can find out information about ordering that and the entire kit, or actually I should say those 2. Now, the other thing, this is the other add-on, or I should say add-on options, are these fun, cute, seriously stinking cute little pencil pouches. Aren't those darling? And they are like little milk containers from when we were kids. There are 3 different options. There's the pink for strawberry milk, the yellow for banana milk, and the kind of light blue for regular plain old milk. But you guys, I use these all the time because what I do with them, and they're not only a pencil pouch for me, but I store whenever I'm kind of working on my TN on the go, maybe I need to throw them in my purse, or maybe I'm going out of town for the weekend. I always have a little case like this with me. I have my black Sharpie that I use on everything. I have a little glue stick. These are little scissors, which I love this. And these you can take on the airplane, so that's kind of fun, just those little scissors. And then some more adhesive in case I need that. And then some little fussy cutting scissors. Anyhow, oh, and then even a couple rolls of washi. But this is the perfect little pencil pouch to have with you when you need, when you just need a cute, fun little pencil pouch to carry your things on the go. Now, you could even use that for lipsticks. You could use it for all different kinds of things. That would be great too for a teenage girl or a tween or something like that to have their pencils and pens in for school. So anyhow, 3 different color options there. You will find all of the information at laylebymail.com, and there you'll have information, all the details on the kits, as well as ordering information. All right, you guys, super excited about that March-April kit, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.